This is Ibeck. He makes excellent leather and felt products. Now he dreams of entering the international market. The only thing left is to learn how to negotiate effectively. You can learn this too. In these 3 minutes, you will learn how to prepare, introduce yourself, and conclude an export contract. Negotiations are not about improvisation. Preparation is the key to success. Study the company, the meeting goals, your key arguments, and be sure to test the equipment if the meeting is held online. Before negotiations, carefully study the market and your future partner. Clearly formulate the purpose of the meeting, prepare a convincing presentation, and check all equipment and communications in advance so that everything goes smoothly at the crucial moment. You can only make a first impression once. Do it clearly, confidently, and briefly. Who you are, what you offer, why it is important to the client, and don't forget to tell what makes you unique. Negotiations are not just about telling your story, they are about listening. Understand what your partner needs. Ask, clarify, write down. Listening is the key to trust. The main mistakes in negotiations are haste and pushiness. Remember that respect, honesty, and clarity are more important than aggressive sales. Therefore, do not interrupt. Do not promise the impossible. Respect the partner's culture. Feedback after the meeting is a must. Online negotiations are no less important. Follow the rules, use visual materials, confirm details of the negotiations in writing after the meeting. Check in advance whether the camera and microphone are working. Make sure that you are clearly visible and audible and that the background does not distract from the conversation. Prepare your presentation in PDF format so that it opens correctly on any device. After the meeting, send a letter with a brief summary of the negotiations. Record the agreements and next steps. The first contact with a partner is just the beginning. Gratitude, results, a plan for next steps. This is what distinguishes a professional in the B2B market. Enter all meeting information into a spreadsheet or CRM. This will help you not to forget anything and keep everything under control. Prepare a short and warm letter thanking you for the meeting. Clearly outline what needs to be done next, who is responsible for what, and by what deadline. This way, the process won't get stuck and everyone will understand where the project is heading. Ibeck was able to enter a new market because he prepared, listened, and followed our instructions. It is possible for you too. Success is preparation. Download guides, templates, and instructions on our website and act with confidence.